How to use the wildcard card on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through. So let's just get started. So first of all, head over to Premier League and log in into Fantasy Premier League. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now what you need to do is you need to look out for the section called transfers in order to use the wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. So it is right beside home. There is an option called pick team, and right beside it, we will be finding option called transfers. You may just go and tap on the transfers tab on the FPL app or website, and you will be finding this. Now you can just head over and look out for your team here. And what you need to do is when you make transfers beyond your free transfer limit, the play card option will appear. So in order to do so, you need to trade the players. So for that, you can just go ahead and select your player and you can look out for option called replace or remove and basically add or replace the player. So we do not have a replace option. It is a paid feature, so you need to have that paid feature for that. You can just go ahead and tap on the player that you would like to replace and tap on replace, and when you do so, here you will be when you make transfers beyond your free transfer limit, the play wildcard option will appear on your screen. You may just go ahead and look out for that wildcard option. For example, we have this wildcard available in this section. So you can just go ahead and look out for that once your wildcard is activated. And you have that until the game week deadline to finalize your squad with the unlimited transfer permitted by the wildcard. Once confirmed, the wildcard cannot be cancelled. And that is it. So if you like to use the wildcard, you may also follow up the same process. Each FPL manager gets two wildcards per season, one for the first half and one for the second. The wildcard can be strategically used to capitalize on rising player prices, particularly early in the season. So you may follow up this process if you would like to use the wildcard on Fantasy Premier League. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.